Pute. So yesterday we discussed about the measuring cylinders. So why we are using measuring cylinders? What is the purpose of using a measuring cylinder? What is the purpose of using a measuring cylinder? Huh? Can anyone tell? Yes?
To measure the volume that contains in a container or something.
Yes, to measure the liquids, right? To measure the liquids in the laboratory. We are not just using the measuring cylinders at home, no. So, specifically, this measuring cylinder is designed to do the work in the laboratory. When we are in the laboratory, we need to measure the liquids, right? So, these measurements should be very accurate, right? So that's why we are using these measuring cylinders, and there are different sizes. Now here you can see this is a 250 milliliter. Can you see, right? The volume has indicated the highest volume. So this is a 250 milliliter measuring cylinder. There are 50 milliliters, 100 milliliters, 500 milliliter measuring cylinders, which is bigger than this, right? Okay, and also we discuss how we should measure the volume, right? How we should take the reading by using the measuring cylinder, right? First of all, you should keep the measuring cylinder on the table, right? And after that, if you, now we have just last day we measure how many milliliters? Can you all remember? 150 milliliters, right? So you need to keep it here on the table horizontally, and then you need to pour the water like this, right? And your eye level should be aligned with the reading the value. Now here we are taking 150 නේ. ඔන්න මම මේ එයා එකෙත් නෙමේ පුතේ හොඳට දන ගහලා හරි කමන්නේ. හරියට eye level එක align වෙන්න ඕනේ අපි measure කරන value එකට. Right? That's how you should measure the volume or the liquids using the measuring cylinder. And also we discuss, right? So there are two lines. If you can see here, පේනවද දන්නේ පුතේ? පේනවද lines දෙකක් තියෙනවා උඩම? So this is known as the meniscus, right? So the lower point, lower curved point, we should measure the liquids up to the lowest curved point. අපි ඊයේක ඇඳලත් පෙන්නුවා. Now I will again, now let's go to the tube, right? So here පුතේ, right? Now it is like this. Now this if this is your measuring cylinder, this readings, right? Now if this is 150 line, let's say this is 150 line, the lower part, the lower curved point should be in align with 150. හොඳට මතක තියාගන්න අපි ගන්න liquid එකේ lower curved point එක තමයි 150 තියෙනවා.